Welcome to the e-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Good morning, children. Wish you a very happy new year 2020-21. Almighty bless you with good health and bright future. Children, I Tapas sir, your language teacher. Today I am going to teach you grammar way for class 6 students. Today's lesson is lesson number 13. Today's lesson is continuous tense. Means we will talk about present continuous, past continuous and future continuous. So let's start the lesson directly, children. Present continuous tense, past continuous tense and future continuous tense we will talk about in this lesson. Present continuous tense, it is used to indicate action that are happening at the time of speaking. Means now whatever we are speaking or talking or doing, it is called present continuous tense. The woodpecker is sitting on the branch. The women are singing a song. The children are laughing at the joke. Raj is growing taller by the day. Here you can see is sitting, are going, are laughing, is growing. This helping verb is, are and verb having ing form shows that this sentence are continuing now. This sentence are continuing or the action are continuing now. This shows that this sentence are in present continuous form. Past continuous tense is used to show that something continued for some time in the past. Means the action had already over but it continued in the past time. Example, Meera was sleeping when the doorbell rang. They were taking their dog to the vet. The baby were crying because it was hungry. Ria and Priya were enjoying their break in college. You can see past continuous tense was verb ing is there or where verb ing is there. If it is singular, Meera is singular girl, was sleeping, baby was crying. But if it is plural, they were taking, Riya and Priya plural were enjoying. Past continuous tense, singular subject will have was ing form and plural subject will have were ing form. Future continuous tense talks about event that will be happening at some point in time in future, often for the next extended period of time. Means the work is going to happen in the future but it will continue in the future form. Example, we shall be studying French next week. Father will be returning from the office in the evening. I guess he will be running late. Nita will be learning to play the piano. We shall be studying, will be returning, will be running, will be learning. Means the thing or the action has not yet over. It is going to work or it is going to happen in the future, and that's why it is called future continuous tense. Bit number A exercise. Fill in the blanks with present continuous forms. Means bracket verb is given, you have to write in present continuous tense. Usha is reciting a poem now in present continuous tense. If it is the subject is singular, you have to use is an ing form. If it is plural, are ing form. Manish and his brothers are watching a film now. Mrs. Datta is helping the children solve the riddles now. Riya and Mita are arguing with each other as usual. Riya and Mita are plural, that's why are arguing. I usually play cricket but today I am playing. I, in case of present continuous tense, I will have am. I am playing football. The students are preparing for the sports day now. Students are plural, are preparing. we are going to Europe. I am listening to what you are saying. You can see all the verb having ing and with them helping verb is, am and are. This shows that the sentence is in present continuous tense. Here past continuous tense, bit number C. Here we have to use was, verb ing. If it is singular, was ing, and if it is plural, were ing. Rahul was solving a crossword puzzle when the doorbell rang. Rahul is singular, that's why was solving. Smriti was singing to herself as she went about her work. Smriti was Smriti singular, was singing. You were feeling. You plural, were feeling. I went out to see why the dog was barking. Dog is singular, that's why was barking. Two elephants were crossing the road when we drove past them. Means two elephants were plural, were crossing the road when we drove past them. The deer, singular, the deer was running swiftly to save itself from the jackal. So if it is singular, then was ing. If it is plural, were ing form in past continuous tense. Future continuous tense will be playing or shall be playing. You can use in future continuous tense, means will be plus ing. Nita will be playing the role of a queen in the play tomorrow. We are sure she will. It should be looking. She will be looking. It is look. I have written, children. Please correct it. It will be looking ing. Sure she will be looking beautiful. She will be wearing a pretty gown. And I am sure everyone will be appreciating her for enacting the part so well. She will be singing as well as will be speaking. She will sing as well as will speak just like a princess. All her friends will be cheering her and encourage her. Means some sentence it is future tense and some blanks it is future continuous tense. Where it is future tense, I have written will look, will sing, will speak. Where it is continuous form, will be playing, will be wearing, will be cheering. Children, this lesson is over. Future continuous tense, past continuous tense and present continuous tense. So please, it is very important to know a sentence whether it is in present or past or future continuous form. So for that you have to watch this video again at home. Now you are having free time at home. So please try to understand these lessons so that it will help you in future. Thank you children for watching this video. God bless you. And stay at home, stay safe and healthy and prepare for your future exam, that is your final exam. Bye bye children.